Welcome to Bulgaria. Those who watch regularly probably recognise this piece of land as Colin's house, where I'm staying at the moment. I'm here because I bought another house last year in this village, and I'm here this year to get the work done, to develop it and make it into a holiday home for us, my wife and I. It's over there. I know that's a bit vague, but over on that side of this village is where the new house is, and we'll be covering the development of the house throughout 2023. So stay with us now as we have a look initially at the work that's been done. Now, the work initially that needed doing, if you remember a video that I showed you last year when I bought the house, I flew the drone over the roof and there were a few tiles that were displaced and broken, so I've just had that work done and we're now going to fly over the roof to see and to make sure that that is now watertight. The second job, which was underway there as we flew the drone over the roof, was the clearing of part of the garden, because if we're going to put in a driveway, we're going to working on the outside of the house, rendering, double glazing, build an extension on the back for a bathroom, because houses here don't have bathrooms by default, then we're going to need to clear the land. So we've had some friends of ours come and clear the garden for us. I have some pictures of how it was before they started. And very quickly, in just a few hours, they managed to clear the land, so it now looks like this, and the shape of the driveway is evident. At one point you couldn't see where the driveway was going to be, but I could tell from close examination where it used to be, so we've put it back. We can now start work in the next month or two. I'm in the process, while I'm here this week, of getting contractors to have a look at the place, tell me what they can do, how much it'll cost, that sort of thing, and then we'll be following their progress throughout the summer. Here's something new for me to deal with. The bungalow has got a cellar. It's approached from the outside, just like a beer cellar in a pub really, and if I put my fist through the cobwebs, I can see that there's bird feathers and all sorts down here, but on the whole it's a decent space, and people are telling me this could be my cinema room. So with the screen at the far end and the sofa on the opposite wall, I could be made down here watching my movies. So that was my first visit to deal with the new house, and I'll be back next month to have a look around the local shops and perhaps some further away. And I think I need to take my wife at this point, because we're going to be looking at kitchen and bathroom fittings and designs. These are the latest pictures that I took with my drone a week or so ago, and they show where the road divides a triangular shaped plot of land with my little house stuck at the far end there. The triangular shaped piece of land is classed as municipal land, so in theory I don't have to do anything with it, although I will probably be free to, because I don't think the municipality have got any designs on it. More of this as the months go on.